Ba-da-bum, ba-dum. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-dum, ba-dum. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-dum, ba-da-da-da-dun, da-da-da-da-da. It's a photograph. Look at this photograph. This is an early model companion. Back then, they didn't have any personality. They were just glorified autonomous cleaners. I think it's nice that they eventually mimicked humans. It's like they missed them, and in a way, they kind of kept them from going extinct. They're good robots. Wait, I don't get to keep it? I don't get to keep it? Give it to me. They were advanced Roombas, basically, yes. One day the Skynet will take over and the Roombas will take all our feet.